Hi friends, welcome back. Today let's count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's do it. There is one box. One box. And on this box there is one tiger. Now there are two boxes. Two boxes. And I see two monkeys. Now we have three boxes. Three boxes. And I see three penguins. Now I see four boxes. Four boxes. And I see four hens. Now, my friends, I see five boxes. Five boxes. And I see five frogs. Next, I see six boxes. Six boxes. And I see six birds. Now I see seven boxes. Seven boxes. And I see seven fish. Now, my friends, I can count 8 boxes. 8 boxes. And I see 8 ladybugs. Next, I see 9 boxes. 9 boxes. And I see 9 bumblebees. Finally, my friends, I can count 10 boxes. 10 boxes. And I see 10 ants. Let's count the boxes together, my friends. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, my friends. Good job. Thank you for counting boxes with me today, my friends. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.